In this part 6 of our Expo questions on physics for JAMB candidates, right? I need you to give me your attention. Anything distracting you now, you should run away from it. You already know how critical and crucial physics is for you to get admission. If you must gain admission this year and do well and score the 300 and above we'll be talking about for your JAMB, you need to concentrate. I need you to run away from any distraction. Let us deal with this physics once and for all, right? What we have been doing is looking at possible questions, expo questions, past questions, expected questions in physics. We have done part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. What you are currently on is on part 6. After this part 6, we also have part 7 and all the rest. Okay, I told you in part 5 where we stopped that in part 6 we will continue from question 20. So let's move on with question number 20. Right, remember what we have been looking at are areas on physics language in physics that is basically theory. You know, in the 40 or so questions JAMB we set this year, you will have quite a lot of around 20 questions that are not calculation, that are just testing your basic understanding of physics. Number 20. A dynamo primarily converts dash. A dynamo primarily converts dash. A. Mechanical energy into electrical energy. B. Electrical energy into kinetic energy. C. Potential energy into kinetic energy. D. Kinetic energy into potential energy. So when we say dynamo, the answer actually is A. A dynamo converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Do you understand? A dynamo does what? Converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. Look at question 22. Another theory question. A hydrometer is an instrument used for measuring the dash. A hydrometer is an instrument used for measuring the dash. 1. Depth of water in a vessel. B. Relative density of liquid by method of flotation. C. Relative density of liquid by finding the apparent loss in weight. D. Relative humidity of the atmosphere. A hydrometer. Remember, like I always say, anyone we encounter, ensure you return to Google or your physics textbook to study them up. You must develop the ability to read beyond the videos I gave you. The videos I gave you will just be like a catalyst that will inspire you to dig deeper in your textbook, in the past questions I will give you. By the way, if you need me to give you free JAMB past question, if you have not gotten it, because I've been sharing it, if you need me to give you free JAMB syllabus, free JAMB past question, and I've not given it to you, what you just need to do is watch this video from now to the end. Watch this video to the end, because at the end of this video I will share with you how you can get free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past questions. These are the tools you need that will help you. So a hydrometer is an instrument used for measuring the dash. A. The answer actually, a hydrometer is used for measuring the relative density of a liquid by method of flotation. Relative density of a liquid by method of what? Flotation. The answer is B. I hope you are still following me. Okay, let's look at this question 29. A boy on looking into a mirror. A boy, remember the first thing you must do whenever JAMB gives you a question is understand the question. Don't panic. Some of you will come and say, I am not good in calculation. I am not good in physics. I am not good in chemistry. I've made it a bit easy for you. I've done quite a lot of videos on chemistry, quite a lot of videos on physics, quite a lot of videos on mathematics, on use of English, on the JAMB novel, on your subject, on biology. Now, what you have to do is, if you need me to give you access to all the videos I've done on physics, all the videos I've done on chemistry, all the videos I've done on mathematics, biology, use of English, just tell me. at the end of this video you can just tell me, give me access, or give me the link. You now mention the name of the subject. I could give you access to them so that you sit yourself down and watch those videos I've done. Very detailed and helpful video. A boy on looking into a mirror discovered that his face appeared to have grown bigger. The boy must have been looking at a dash. I'm sure you know some mirrors that when you look at them, your face just it's as if you have become fat. A boy looking into a mirror discovered that his face grows bigger. The boy must have been looking at a dash. A convex mirror with his face at the focus. B concave mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. C convex mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. D concave mirror with his face at the focus. A convex mirror with his face at the mirror at the focus. B concave mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. C convex mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. D concave mirror with his face at the focus. Remember that at the end of this video I will give you those materials. Our goal is for you to score 300 and above. Our goal is that you will be among those that will come back with a testimony. You will be one of those that will score high, right? I want you to claim it. The answer is B, concave. The boy is looking at a concave mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. Concave mirror with his face between the focus and the mirror. Okay, are you still with me? Let's look at question 35. The light from the sun reaches the earth mainly by dash. The light from the sun reaches the earth mainly by dash. A convection. B conduction. C radiation. D reflection. It reaches the earth mainly by what? Radiation. Say radiation. Radiation. Okay. One valid assumption of the kinetic theory of gases is that dash. One valid assumption of the kinetic theory of gases is that dash. A. The molecules are in random motion and the number of collisions is constant. B. The number of molecules increase with the pressure. C. The molecules of the gases are all identical and very small in size. D. The number of molecules increases with temperature. One valid assumption of the kinetic theory of gases is that the answer is C. The answer is what? C. The answer is the molecules of the gases are all identical and are very small in size. Okay, let's look at question 37. An astronomical telescope is used to be in a normal adjustment when an astronomical telescope is said to be in a normal adjustment when the dash. A. When the eye is accommodated. B. When the focal length of the objective lens is longer than that of the eyepiece. C. Final image is at the near point of the eye. D. Final image is at infinity. An astronomical telescope is said to be at normal adjustment. The answer is D. When image is at infinity. Okay. Question 38. I hope you are still following. The dispersion of light by a glass prism is due to the dash. The dispersion of light by a glass prism is due to the dash. A. Different hidden colors of the glass. B. Different speed of the various colors of glass. C. Defect in the glass. D. High density of glass. The dispersion of light by a glass prism. You remember those practicals we did in school with needles and prism glass. The dispersion of light by a glass prism is due to, the answer actually is B. That phenomenon, the dispersion of the glass of the light, is due to the different speed of the various colors in glass. Okay, various colors, they have different speed when they encounter glass. Okay, Let's look at question 41. The function of the manganese 4 oxide in a Leclanche cell is to dash. Now, I want to give you an assignment. Go now and research for me everything you can find on Leclanche cell. If you have been following the videos and the tutorials we have been doing from part 1 to this part 6, you will know that this Leclanche cell is always coming out, even in chemistry. So please go research it, then come back and tell me everything you are able to find out about Leclanche cell. Be as detailed as possible. Okay? The function of the manganese 4 oxide in a Leclanche cell is to dash: A. Decrease the EMF of the cell. B. Prevent local action on the cell. C. Prevent polarization of the cell. D. Increase the density of the electrolyte. The answer actually is C. The function of the manganese 4 oxide is to prevent polarization of the cell. Okay, are you still with me? The main reason why rice cooks faster in a pressure cooker than in a cooking pot is that dash. The main reason why food or rice cooks faster in a pressure cooker than in a cooking pot is that dash. A. Less heat escape from the cooker. B. The vapor pressure in the cooker is constant. C. The vapor pressure of the cooker decreases. D. The boiling point of water in the cooker is raised. The boiling point of water in the cooker is raised. The main reason why rice cooks faster in pressure cooker than in cooking pot is, the answer is D. The boiling point of water in the cooker is raised. Okay? Let's look at question 44. The fundamental frequency of vibration of a sonometer. The fundamental, these things are areas that you need to read up. As I mentioned them, return to your materials and do more study. This night, today, I want you to read in the night. Wake up and read. Stop snoring. After your JAMB, you can snore, you can party, you can travel, you can eat whatever will make you sleep for hours. But within these first few weeks remaining before the JAMB exam, it is time for steady vigil, steady preparation. Remember, if you are claiming that you will gain admission this year, if you are claiming 300 and above, type "I claim it" in the comment section. The fundamental frequency of vibration of a sonometer wire may be halved by dash. A. Doubling the length of the wire. B. Doubling the mass of the wire. C. Reducing the tension by half. D. Reducing the absolute pressure by half. The answer is to half or to reduce it, the vibration frequency of a sonometer. The answer is you have to double the length of the wire. So the answer is A. If I were you, I will quickly rush and study. Write down so that you can go and study sonometer. Question 46. Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the shortest wavelength? Which of the following electromagnetic waves has the shortest wavelength? A. Radio waves. B. S-rays. C. Infrared. D. Ultraviolet. The answer is simple. It's something you already know. S-rays. S-rays has the shortest wavelength. Okay? Let's look at question 47. Are you still following? Remember, I've always told you, if the videos I make are helpful to you, tell me that they are helpful. Tell me to make more videos. Knowing that these videos I make out of my very busy schedule help you, will encourage me to do more. So if the videos I drop for you here every day, if they have been helping you, let me know in the comment section. Recall also that if you want me to give you access to the other videos we have done on other subjects, just mention the name of the subject and indicate that I should give you the link to them, and I could give them to you at the end of this video. Remember the assignment I gave you to submit it on the comment too. Which of the following is not conserved in an inelastic collision? Which of the following is not conserved in an inelastic collision? A. Momentum. B. Mass. C. Kinetic energy. D. Total energy. The answer is simple. In an inelastic collision, kinetic energy is not conserved. Is not conserved. The last question we'll look at is question 49. The area under a force distance graph represents dash. The area under a force distance graph represents dash. A. Acceleration. B. Velocity. C. Work. D. Momentum. Now, before we get into that, the answer of this, if you want to receive free past question, free JAMB syllabus, just do 4 things. Number 1, join our YouTube channel, which is compulsory. Just find the option to join, click on join our YouTube channel. It's very important. It will give you access to me. It will give you unlimited access to me, ask your questions and all the rest. Number 2, like this video, click on like. Number 3, share this video. And number 4, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Join our YouTube channel, like this video, share it on here on YouTube, then copy the link of this particular video, share it on Telegram groups you belong to, Facebook groups, WhatsApp groups for JAMB candidates, share it with your classmates and your friends, other JAMBites. Then lastly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under the comment of this video and type I have subscribed. I have subscribed. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will tell you the answer. Once I see you type I have subscribed, I will share with you, I will chat you up and share with you those materials, free JAMB syllabus and free JAMB past question on your 4 subjects. The answer to 49 is an assignment. I want you to work on it and tell me the answer. Now, there's a video on the screen. Click on it immediately and watch now.